What do you do when you have no energy to market your online teaching business? You're done with your classes, or you're in between classes and you're running to go get a snack or to eat something. And then you need to think about, well, what am I going to do for marketing? How am I going to promote myself? What am I going to do to sell my new program or to find a new client? And all these questions make it so difficult for you to really enjoy that time that you have, that you carved out in your day to enjoy. Is this always going to be like that? Are you always going to be thinking marketing, sales, and having this huge burden on your shoulders? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you my 5 low energy marketing routines that have worked for me throughout the years. I used them when I had very few clients, and these marketing routines, these sales opportunities gave me a lot of certainty in the future when I was able to get new clients and new leads because of the work, the low energy, low impact marketing and selling work that I would do at the end of my day, or maybe every other day, even when I had a large load of students, one-to-one students, and even when my days were packed with lessons from morning till night. My name is Elena Mutunono. I help online language teachers and coaches work more sustainably, move away from one-to-one classes, and get paid for the work that they do without spending all of their time in front of the screen. I talk about smart and manageable strategies that do not require huge investment, and they free up a lot of time for you to enjoy the things that brought you to this point of starting your online teaching business. In today's video, I'm talking about low impact marketing and sales strategies that will help you get new clients and customers further down the line. And these are the things that you can do without large investments like ads. Now, some of you might be open and interested in learning how to improve your skills at selling programs and courses and digital products. As a one-to-one teacher, you may not have that experience. The only thing you know how to sell is your one-to-one classes, and most of your clients come from word of mouth, so it is very difficult to go out there in larger audiences, interact with them, and offer them something that they would be willing to pay for. In a few weeks, I will be running a training for online language teachers and coaches who want to improve their sales skills. And for you, I have an invitation to my 3-day training that is followed by a 7-day coaching support in a small group on Telegram. If you want to learn how to sell effectively without feeling salesy, if you want to know how to reach people and sell to people things that are not one-to-one classes, if you want to stop trading time for money and finally take a vacation, you will find the link to the training in the description, and I am looking forward to seeing you there. Now back to our lessons about my 5 low impact marketing strategies that lead to more sales and more clients and more customers in the future. So today I prepared this doodle for you, and that is the doodle of a candle. And candle represents low energy strategies for marketing that will help you down the road. Sometimes we discard them as ineffective because they just seem too small to us. When you have a candle, it's going to make a huge difference in the room, the dark room. So low impact strategies for marketing that can help you bring clients and students in the future are actually really effective. And here's what I do. The first one is emails to clients, present and past clients. And by that, I don't mean that you write to them, and especially past clients, and tell them, hey, let's do a lesson tomorrow. You don't have to do that. But you can send a catch-up email where you maybe found a video that you think your past client might enjoy. Now, that gives them a chance to keep you on their radar, but also for your present clients to understand that you can work with them and facilitate learning even outside the one-to-one classes, which is essential for when you are beginning to sell something that's not one-to-one classes like asynchronous programs or courses or digital products, to use it in the future, to have greater trust with your current and past clients so that they can easily remember and recommend you to others, or be more open and less defensive about a new product or program or format that you might introduce for them. The second strategy is going on social media, if you have social media, and talking about your offer, talking and offering people an opportunity to work with you. Now, it's very important to keep in mind that social media may not always be this place where we'll have immediate response and you will have clients. But there are sometimes people that are just lurking. And so people don't know what is available and what is good, particularly if there are several options for them. The next one is direct messages and offering free sessions. Again, if you are active on social media or if you start sharing something and people engage with you, this is an opportunity for you to help them, and it's an opportunity for you to get curious and grow yourself, which is the whole point of this strategy. It's not always to find a client. And again, sometimes you just have a couple of free sessions a week and you won't get a client until months later. But this is the seed and low impact thing that you can do. You can decide how many you want. You can do one a week. And I want to give you the heads up that the first time you try to sell something, you may not be able to do that as well as you expect from yourself. But this is the whole point of learning. The next one is workshops. Now, workshops is particularly good for people that are confident enough to deliver something to a group of people and that have enough network to help them promote these workshops. But workshops are amazing because you can bring a lot of people, you can share something of value, and you can offer people free sessions as well. If you are struggling, you would like to create something, but you're like, I have no idea what people will need, offer free sessions. Maybe you can only have 30 minutes a week. Maybe you have an hour a week. It's so much better to spend this time working with real people than scrolling down social media and feeling really sorry about yourself, which, no judgment here, I've done that so many times. And finally, collaborations. Now, collaborations are opportunities for you to go on other people's podcasts or maybe the YouTube channels. Maybe you can write for other people's blog posts. Or you can also maybe do a live on social media, which is the easiest form of collaboration, and you can do it on a regular basis. But what it does, it gives other people an opportunity to get to know you, learn more about you, and connect with you. It is incredibly powerful because it continues, especially if you do something for a podcast or YouTube or maybe a blog post, it continues for years. People can find this blog post, they can find this podcast, and they can learn about you. You do something and you know that in the future it's going to bring the results that you want, which is more people knowing you and more people contacting you for business. Well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I want to invite you to join me for a 3-day training on how to sell your programs, courses, and digital products. If you're interested, click the link in my description and sign up today. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, share with other teachers. They might need to hear what you just heard, and it might be really wonderful for you to be that bearer of good news and share something that a person can benefit from. I appreciate you being here, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day.